guys, it's Miss X Storm, and I want to give you some help on constructing parallel lines. Okay, so you're drawing a line, and I hope that you can see this. You're drawing a line and a point not on the line. Okay, now I'm going to kind of move it around because I can't really tell, I can't see the video to tell what you're looking at. Let me just make sure there's no way to fix that. Okay. Alright, so this is Miss X Storm, and I want to show you how to construct parallel lines. Some of you are not getting that, so we're going to help you here. So you've got a line, and you've got a point not on the line, and we want to construct this by folding. Okay, so the first thing your instructions do is to tell you to fold perpendicular lines. Well, the picture shows you how to do it, okay? And you have to explain to me in words, written words, how you fold those perpendicular lines. Okay, so the picture looks like this. Let me fold it and then I'll show it to you. And it takes a little bit of, you got to kind of get everything in just the right place. Now let's look. Mine's not perfect here, but it's close. Okay, so if you're looking at this, if you're folding, like these are perpendicular lines now, how do you know that? Well, the line matches up with itself. Some of you are saying you fold the line in half. You can't cut a line in half, okay? So you're matching the line up with itself. Now the crease has to go through what? The crease has to go through the point. Okay, so when you crease your paper, the line has to match up with itself and the crease has to go through the point. Now there you have perpendicular lines. If you can see my crease there, those are now perpendicular lines. Now what you have to do is you have a line on your crease. So you're taking the crease, that's your new line, and you're folding it so that it matches up with itself and goes through the point. Okay, obviously it's going to go through the point because the crease goes through the point. I'm going to trace over this crease real quick so we can see it. Now I kind of missed my point, so we're going to overlook that. And if I were doing this on my paper, I'd just move my point over to that line is what I would do. Okay, so I used a pen so I can't erase it. If I had a pencil, I just erase my point and move it over where it's on top of my line, because I know that this line matched up with itself and it went through a point anywhere on that line. Now I'm going to fold this line so that it matches up with itself. Let me make sure I'm showing you that. But it's got to go through my point. So see, I'm not even close to my point. So I got to go through my point, and I can't do it facing you. I have to do it this way. It has to go through my point, and the line has to match up with itself. Let me crease it, then I'll show you what I did. Okay, so there's the point, and then the line. Do you see? And you just have to kind of move the paper around until it matches up. Okay, you can handle that. Now, what I have, this crease and this line are parallel. And I'm going to move that around just a little bit, make sure you can see it. This crease and this line are parallel. Okay? And that's all there is to it, my friends. Now, the trick is you can fold it, most of you, but then you have to write out your steps. Okay, so you have to say, I drew a line and a point not on the line. I folded perpendicular lines by, and explain to me how. You match the line up with itself and the crease went through the point. Okay, and then I folded in a line perpendicular to that crease by matching the crease up with itself and make sure it goes through the point. So tell me exactly the steps you performed. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.